Don't ask me what time it is. I don't know, I don't care. I only care about my Father's time. My Father is God. I'm the unknown prophet of God. And today I will tell you a story I just did get in. It's these are, I think, 3 visions I did get in. So the first vision will go like this. I did ask my Father God about the movies I still do have. These are biblical movies. I don't want to throw them away. What I did do with the other movies who are not biblical, I did throw them away because I know what to do with it. But these biblical movies, I did not know to throw it away or to keep it with me. But today God showed me that the biblical movies, the people playing, are not the people of God. So now I know that I can throw away, finally, the biblical movies these people did make. Because these are not people of God. That's the first story. So I know what to do and I will do it. I will throw it away. Now the second one. The welcome I saw here in Holland lots of snow for the windows in the houses and like mountains of snow for the windows, mountains of snow. So very high snow for your windows. And then I saw a car. And this car did come from America. And then I thought, hey, that is strange. So I thought, oh, this is a warning for America. God did show me this way. And then it stopped. The vision stopped. And then I get directly after this, I think maybe 20 seconds, another vision come. It started to snow and I see an old man walking in the snow. And this old man was America-like. Definitely America-like, because the clothes he do wear, they do not wear here. And I know, I saw this in America many times. So I know this man did come from America. It was an old man and he was walking in the snow and he was not happy with the snow. I saw it. And I was waiting in a car on the side of the road. But this time I was not in my town, Holland. Now I was in America. And this man, this old man, did come to me and wiped from my car window the snow away. And I see his face. And I saw one eye. And this one eye started to, well, he did try to make me scared. He did do things with that eye. Many other colors and blood in it and slime and all that kind of, very ugly things like demons, like thing, But you need to know, folks, in the beginning when God did come to me, God did not come alone. God did come with demons, because demons will always interfere the good things. You better never forget, the day you will get visions and dreams, these ugly things will come with it. And it is everywhere in this world. And yeah, folks, I did get it many times. Many times I tell my Father God just now, they cannot leave you alone, my Father. They never can leave you alone. You bring me a message, and with the message come also an evil thing. And that's just the way it is, folks. I will get good dreams when the bad things are gone. You understand? As long as these bad things are here in this world, the bad things will come with it. Because it will try to stop me from doing the things I do. I do understand that I do not like it, but I better start to blame by my Father God. It is my Father God who did give me this, and I will finish this. It's easy. For me, this is the case, and this is how it will be. I will be unstoppable. When God says don't do it, then I will listen. But these creatures, now folks, I will laugh right in their faces. And they know they cannot make me scared. I do walk with someone and they are scared of him. But they will interrupt or interfere him all the time, folks. I did get it in dreams and visions. All the time they are there. Always there. Like they interfere your life right now. For real. They are always there. They cannot stop this thing. They must try. These are demons, folks. These are devils and children of the devil. And they always will interrupt my Father God. Always. Because they do not like him. But they are also scared of him. They fear God. They definitely fear God. And also the devil fear God. I saw him run for my Father. I saw him run and then he fly. And he was scared. And that's the truth. But it always will be like this. Till everything is done. Then I can get clean dreams. With no interruption anymore. And clean visions. With no interruptions anymore. And this is what it is, folks. This is the truth. These are the things I get from God. So, some kind of very heavy snow is coming into America and will stand like mountains for your windows. That's what I saw. and on the street you can walk. So that's a very strange thing, right? On the street you can walk, but for the windows you will see mountains of snow, like a snowstorm or something. That the wind will blow it into your windows, like mountains. So what is everywhere will go from the street into your windows, so that you can walk on the street, but you cannot walk outside if you are inside on the moment it happens, because there is a mountain for your door and for your windows. You cannot go out. These are the next thing I saw. What will start to happen in America. But I saw this thing in Holland and I thought, whoa, Holland, you're gonna get something really bad winter. But then I saw an American car driving by. And then I thought, oh, whoa, wait a moment. This is an American car. And then the vision stopped. And then 20 seconds, another vision came. And then I was standing in America, because I do recognize the houses there. And then this old man walking and come to me and start to be like a demon or like a freak or whatever. He tried to scare me. I was not impressed. He saw that I was not impressed. I did look at him, I was not impressed. And then he did go away. And then the vision stopped. And that's all I saw. These are the 3 visions I did get. And not long ago. So a very strange winter is coming to America. I never saw it before. The streets will be empty and the snow will be for your windows. I think that must be a snowstorm who can create this. I really think so. And if this will happen this winter, well, I never get a number in the day of the month or whatever, folks. But I think this winter what is coming, you will see this. This will start to happen. So a very bad winter is coming. And a very strange one. Maybe it's demonized. Because I also did see a demon come to my car. He did look in far away, he did walk. And I thought it was a normal man. But then he was standing for my window, for my car window, and I was standing still. And he wiped the snow away, and he became like a demon, a creature, a strange figure who tried to make me scared. And I showing the face into the window because I was looking at him. And I showing that I was not impressed. I did laugh in his face. And he saw this. And then he did go away. And then the fiction stopped. That's what I did get inside. And everything what I get inside, folks, I will tell you. And the things I say I will do, I will do. So I will throw away the biblical movies I still do have. It got really nothing to do with God at all. These people who are playing in these movies, God tell me, got nothing to do with God at all. They are not with God. They are against God. God will not know this kind of people. God showed me. So finally I can throw away the movies, and I did ask God in the beginning, and now I get my answer. Like, God is busy all the time. And, well, he do not have much time. In some kind of way, he's working, he's busy. He's a very busy God. And sometimes he come to me and he do have time for me, And this is what I understand in the things I see from God, what's coming to me. And then he go away, and he is very busy. He work hard on things. So I saw it like this. So I think my father is a very busy man. He always got things to do. But my father God is a workaholic. He like to work. He like to create. He like to help. He's always working. That's what I definitely did see in my father. That he is busy all the time. He is working all the time. He's creating all the time. He do things all the time. He always do this. He do not know a day of rest, I think. I think so. So a very strange winter is coming to America. So again, I want America for the next winter to come. Are you ready? Are you? I'm telling you, folks, God do not bless America. God is not happy at all with the American people. And not all of you, but the most of you. These are all bad people. and are against God. And now you will think, yeah, you get this winter from God. The winter do not come from God. God only warn, so that I can warn you. But the things what will destroy do not come from God. God is a builder, and he do not like to destroy things. When he start to destroy, folks, you will wake up. You understand? You definitely will wake up. You don't want to see him destroy things. But your devil will. And go blame the devil. Go blame his people, his demons, and all that kind of shit. It's all real, folks. Demons are behind the steering wheel. You better watch out what kind of steering wheels these are. It can be the steering wheel of the nuclear war. And will it be that way? Yes, folks. Yes. There are very high-ranked people who are against God and like to destroy you. And this is reality. But you did not know. So wake up. Be alert. Watch out. And watch out for your people. Because a nice face will say nothing. But you think it will. But you will start to understand when this nice face will be an intruder of your life. Then you see the demons behind the nice faces. But first, you need to feel before you ever will know what is behind the nice faces.